Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create a program that will ask the user grades, and then the program will solve the average grade of the student using for loop in arrays in C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Before anything else, I would like to thank my good friend and a fellow software engineer Tom for giving me helping me out this sample program. Thank you very much, Tom. So we have here shop includes tdio.h for input output, and then we define the number of grades in a variable num underscore grades. We have 5, and then accumulate grades array equals sum for I equals 0, I less than num underscore grades increment. So we have the accumulation of grades, sum plus equals grades bracket I return sum, and then we close our function accumulate int main. It is the starting point of every C programs, and grades num underscore grades equals 0. And then we have here the title of our program, average grade using for loop in arrays in C. For I equals 0, I equals less than num underscore grades increment, enter grades here, and then this portion will accumulate the grades that is being given by the user, and then here average underscore grade will solve the average grade, so equals sum underscore grades plus num underscore grades, which is 5, and then the average grade here, and then return 0, and then we close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. So let us build and run. Okay, we got the put. Build and run again. The grade we have 84, 90, 88, 76, 92. So the average grade is 86. Okay, build and run. New set of grade 91, 87, 83, 84, 95. So the average grade is 88. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on average grade using for loop in arrays in C. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.